This is Buddy. Buddy's a pit bull rat terrier mix. Another big guy. He's approximately 3 years old and he has been neutered. He is available for adoption. And we would recommend no kitties for this guy and kids that are about 10 years and up. Can you sit? Oh, what a good feather. Very gentle at taking the treats. He does walk pretty well on a leash, but he can become rambunctious, so some obedience training would be beneficial for this guy, and he is available now for adoption. This is Polly. Polly is a lab. She is approximately 5 years old, and she is going to be spayed. She is very sweet. Good girl. And we would recommend that you bring your dogs in to meet her and your children. And she is available now for adoption. And she's not letting Steve touch her. Oh, good girl. Do you know anything else? She says, no treats. Look at that. I work for treats. I sit here and I sit there. Good girl. Okay, can you lay down? All the way? All the way? Down here? She goes, no, but I sit really well. There you go. And this is Zoe. Zoe is our dog of the week. So this is Zoe. Zoe is a Jack Russell Terrier mix. She has been spayed and she's 9 years old. We would prefer that she go to a home that has no kitties and children over 9. She loves people's attention and she walks really well on a leash. She did come in with Ziggy. However, we would like to place her in a home that has some dogs that are respectful and give her space. And she certainly loves the head scratch. She says you missed a spot right around my collar. Oh, good girl. More scratches. Here's my nose. More scratches. Come on, Zoe. Come on. There you go. Good girl. This is Ziggy. Ziggy is a Jack Russell mix. He's 9 years old and has been neutered. He did come in with Zoe, and we are going to place them individually. We would recommend him be an only dog and live in a household that doesn't have any cats or children that are under 9 years old. He does walk well on a leash. Can you sit? And he has been here for quite a long time, and we're really hoping that somebody will come and adopt him. Can you sit? Come on, big guy, you can do it. Sit. Try harder. This is a stand up for food. How's that? Want that one? Oh, good boy. Apparently that hot dog is not to his liking. Look at that. Spit it out. Ziggy. Can you look at the camera? There's the camera. Look at him.
No hot dogs there.
Still thinking about that last hot dog. Ziggy does walk well on a leash, and he just needs a quiet retirement home. Somebody that understands terriers and would enjoy a little companion. This is Blossom. Blossom is a Chihuahua mix. Wait a minute. You see her now? Oh, there she is! Oh my gosh, isn't she cute? She says I was hiding under my blankie, the most warm place on the planet. She is approximately 2 to 3 years old. Can you come on out so everybody can see how pretty you are? Come here. Come on. She is a really cool color. She looks like a little miniature Australian cattle dog. She says, I got this cone on my head because I got spayed. Very, very sweet. Yes, she is. Oh, and she says, I like that one. That was okay. This is like a little micro dog for pockets, man. She's just super small. Can you look over here? Show them your beautiful face. There she is. There she is. Oh my goodness, she's so beautiful. That's right. You can come down here. She says, I take those treats really nice. We would like to have her in a home that has children that are 9 years and older. She did come in with another dog, and she does do pretty well with all the other dogs that we've introduced her to. She walks well on a leash, and she would just love to cuddle in somebody's blanket. So if you're interested in a small little dog, come on in and meet with this little girl. She's very, very sweet. And she's about 2 to 3 years old, if I haven't said that already. She has been spayed, so she's ready to go. All right, this is Hercules. He's small but mighty, and he's very, very sweet. He again is a Chihuahua mix, about 3 to 4 years old, and he has been neutered now. He came in with Blossom, and again, we are going to adopt him out separately. We would like children that are above the age of 6 for him, because he seems to like kids pretty well. And he's a pretty social little guy, so if you're interested in a small little dog, Hercules, the small but mighty, is waiting for a new home. All right, this is Beasley Ann. Beasley Ann is a lab mix. She might have some, not healer, but border collie or something in there. Hard to say. She has been spayed, and she's approximately 2 years old. She does need somebody that can manage her and give her lots of things to do. Oop, look at that. You missed your hot dog. There it is. She would prefer a home that didn't have any kitties in it, because those are lots of fun. Oh my goodness. Can you down? Can you show them all your tricks? Can you down? No? How about this? You can go all the way down? Maybe? Maybe all the way? All the way, you're trying. She goes, no, but you can give me the treat back. There you go. Good girl. And this girl is available for adoption, and she has been spayed. So if you're interested in a kind of medium to large sized dog, come on in and take a look at her. She's a good girl. So this is Sheba. Sheba was found on the highway on I-205 and Highway 224. We're guessing her to be about 3 years old, an Australian cattle mix. She's very shy. She's working on being brave. She still does need to be spayed. Oh, very good. But she does try really hard. She walks okay on a leash. But she is going to definitely need some time for adjustment. And understanding that she is a herding breed, she would not do well in an apartment. She needs something else to give her some activity. Maybe nice long walks. Maybe another dog to keep her company. So if you're interested in a herding dog, come on in and visit with her. I would probably recommend older children for this dog because she is so shy. So, oh, sweet girl. She says, if you just itch me there. Oh, what a good girl. You smell like hot dog. That's okay? Yeah, I know. Her pretty. And a pretty girl. Itchy. There you go. Good girl, being brave. There you go. And this girl, if I hadn't said it already, is about 3 years old. So she's got lots and lots of life to be able to learn a new trick or two. All right, this is Chase. Chase is a pit bull lab mix. He is 12 years old. This guy is a phenomenal senior. He is really hoping that he'll find a couch to land on. He's a little bit overweight, so he's going to need a bit of a diet. He goes on very short walks right now and loves people and has done really well with the other dogs. We also would recommend a home without kitties for this guy because in his past he thought the kitties were some form of toys instead of four-legged critters. But he's done well with small dogs, big dogs, male dogs, female dogs, and has been great for all of our volunteers. So if you're interested in the super senior, come on in and meet Chase because he's just a fabulous old man. Okay, so this is Rose. Rose is approximately 6 to 7 years old. She is a purebred German Shepherd that has just been spayed. And I have just cruelly teased her with her hot dog there. There, she got it. One of them. She will need a adult home with no cats. And we would highly encourage that you meet with a trainer for her. She would kind of like a retirement home that has somebody that can just give her a comfy spot to sit. Oh, good job. And she's pretty clean about her bathroom habits. So if you're familiar with German Shepherds, Rose is looking for a home, and she is available now for adoption. She's a pretty girl. I know, look at that. She says, I got the cone of shame. Can't see where I'm going. There I am. Good girl.